So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very different type of vlog because this time my camera is not with me. We have parted for a temporary adjustment since it's on its way to hopefully get fixed. Today we're going to be doing a vlog, so I'm going to be going around on the Uber boats, which I've heard about, seen about on TikTok. I'm thinking, you know me, TikTok, we're going to try it, going to do it. Go with my mum, so hopefully this will be a fun experience. They changed up the boats because they used to be called Thames Clippers, but now they're like Uber boats. Kind of interesting to go to. All right, so this is my outfit for today. So I got obviously my, you know, my beloved Zara Gillette, and I got my cardigan from Weekday that you saw in the last video. Also the joggers from TK Maxx, and I got my Air Forces on. So yeah, hopefully we'll be ready to go. Say hi to my mum again. This is the donut I got. I got the sea salted caramel and honeycomb. Alright guys, we arrived at the Uber boats. This is the stop. It looks very exciting already. There's the cable cars there as well. So yeah, now we're going to get ready to go in the next 5 minutes. Turns out with the Uber boat situation, you can't use contactless, so whoever says you have to use the app, they were clearly lying. So use your contactless card or Oyster card and you save 20% off, just for future reference. So now we have left the boat. We got off at Westminster, as you can see the Big Ben. So now we're gonna go to get some food. As you can see, I made it back home safe. The journey took a long time because the bus was full, so we did take a while getting home, but we managed to make it home. I'm ready to eat my food, ready to eat my wings and my prawns and my calamari and my chips. But thank you guys for watching. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe, spread the word and do whatever you want. Obviously, as I say, more videos will be coming soon. Thank you guys for watching and bye.